just before the Declaration of Independence marked the establishment of our great country. And now, 235 years later...
And I saw a picture of what the final product was going to be, the trophy. And
trophy really realizes the sacrifice that's gone in to it from our servicemen.
I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Till it's over. Till it's over. It's far from over. Alright, bottles on me.
Hey, long as I'm drinking.
Never try.
All day.
One thing about music.
Am I high? All day, every day. We take it over today, baby. Take it on three. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Let's go, boys.
Now taking the field for the 2010 Army Black Knights football team. This year's honorary Bull captain, Equal Greg R. McKinley. Touchdown, Army. Josh McNary on the fumble pickup and return. Touchdown, Army. Malcolm Brown on the carry reception. Pass is intercepted by Stephen Anderson for Army. Intended for Bradley Haynes. Pitch to Zach Line. Tackled by Stephen Anderson. Off the draw on the keeper, stopped by Mike Gann.
Let's go, Army. Let's go.
going to be back. The U.S.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes today's game. Army 16, SMU 14.
I love you, man. I love you too. Love you too, man.
Innermost final player.
Let's do this.
Helicopter Armed Forces Full Trophy, the United States Military Academy.
This means so much. We worked so hard for this, and it just feels good that we earned it, finished it off. I don't even know what to say right now. I'm really just so happy for our team and our whole program. You know, this is what we worked for, and it's finally here. So it feels good. It's gonna be hard to leave this place. It's gonna be hard.
Army football is back. We used to break it down, we'll bring it back. That's no more because tradition is back. 2 more years. 2 more years!
This is a promise. This wasn't even a goal, it was a promise. And we made a little pact that we made, a guarantee. And you know, it just feels good. Like satisfaction after this is overwhelming.
2010 Armed Forces Bowl champs, baby! Yeah!
I've been here too long to not be successful. We pulling out, we bringing it back, huh?
That was right there. Good work, good work, good work.